안녕하세요. Welcome to next matchup. Today we're cooking kalguksu. 안녕하세요 from Korea. Today we're making bi빔국수. Today I'm cooking kongguksu. 안녕하세요 from Korea. Today we're making 메밀국수. 안녕하세요 from Korea. Today we're using 들기금, which is this, to make 들기금막국수. 안녕하세요 from Korea. Today we're making Naengmyeon. 안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to next matchup. Today we're cooking 오이냉국. 안녕하세요 from Korea. Today we're cooking Mul Naengmyeon. 안녕하세요 from Korea. Welcome to next matchup. And today I'm cooking Jajangmyeon.